Well, more construction is expected at the Tesla Gigafactory in East Travis County. Filings with the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation show the manufacturer plans construction on more than 5 million square feet of space.
Well, more construction is expected at the Tesla Gigafactory in East Travis County. Filings with the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation show the manufacturer planned construction on more than 5 million square feet of space. Welcome. Less than a year after Giga Texas' opening, the Greater Austin Chamber of Commerce says Tesla has diversified the local economy. We obviously are still a tech city, and the most jobs that we added in Austin were in tech. But just behind that, our second largest growing sector in our economy was in automotive manufacturing. Nestled in the arid expanse of Austin, Texas, a colossal structure looms. Its unassuming facade belying a revolution that's reshaping the world. This is Tesla's Giga Texas, the company's largest factory. A technological titan that's not just building cars, but forging the future of manufacturing, artificial intelligence, and sustainability. Far from a mere assembly plant, Giga Texas is a physical manifestation of Elon Musk's audacious vision. A place where innovation pulses at breakneck speed, producing vehicles, batteries, and even humanoid robots that promise to transform how we live. Step inside and you'll witness a symphony of machines, data, and ambition, all working to redefine what's possible. From a satellite perspective, Giga Texas resembles a sprawling set from a science fiction epic. Spanning an area equivalent to 15 football fields, this factory is a marvel of scale and ingenuity. Its sleek, box-like exterior hides a bustling ecosystem where technology reigns supreme. Inside, hundreds of robots operate around the clock, assembling vehicles like the Tesla Model Y and Cybertruck with astonishing precision. A new car rolls off the production line every 60 seconds. A testament to Musk's dream of making manufacturing as efficient and scalable as software development. Giga Texas isn't just big, it's smart. The factory runs on a network of sensors, software, and AI algorithms that monitor every facet of production. This self-healing system detects issues in real time, sends alerts, and activates backups if a machine falters. Automated guided vehicles, AGVs, small driverless robots, glide across the factory floor, transporting parts with uncanny accuracy, navigating paths, and managing their traffic. Every movement, every component, and every second is recorded and analyzed, ensuring unparalleled quality and efficiency. This data-driven approach has made Tesla's vehicles synonymous with reliability and cutting-edge innovation. At the heart of Giga Texas lies the Gigapress, a machine so formidable it seems ripped from a superhero saga capable of exerting 10,000 tons of pressure equivalent to the weight of 2,000 elephants. This colossal press revolutionizes car production. Traditional manufacturing required welding dozens of parts to create a vehicle's frame, a time-consuming and error-prone process. The Gigapress, however, molds large components in a single stroke, producing stronger, lighter, and more cost-effective structures. This innovation not only speeds up assembly but also reduces production costs, paving the way for more affordable Tesla models. I want to give you a sense of the size of this thing. It's not small. If you put the building on its side, it would be taller than the Burj Khalifa. And this building is the most advanced car factory that Earth has ever seen. The team's doing great work in Fremont, California, but we took a lot of lessons learned from that where the buildings were all separate. There's a lot of movement between the buildings. This is a case of raw materials coming in one side. They get formed into a cell, then get formed into a pack. We cast a front-rear body. The pack itself is structural, and out comes a finished product. The Gigapress is just one piece of the puzzle. Giga Texas is a showcase of Tesla's commitment to pushing technological boundaries. The factory's robotic arms, long mechanical hands programmed with advanced AI, perform tasks like lifting, welding, and painting with superhuman speed and precision. These robots don't just work, they learn. If a task is performed imperfectly, the system corrects itself, ensuring continuous improvement. Human workers, though fewer in number, play a critical role monitoring data, fine-tuning processes, and handling tasks requiring delicate control. As the factory evolves, however, the need for human intervention is shrinking. With Musk envisioning a future where humans primarily supervise, Giga Texas isn't content with just building cars. It's a proving ground for Tesla's next-generation technologies. The factory produces 4,680 battery cells, a breakthrough in electric vehicle power. Larger and more efficient than their predecessors, these cells offer greater energy capacity, faster charging, and longer lifespans. By using fewer parts, they also lower production costs, making Tesla's vehicles more accessible. The 4680 cells are the backbone of models like the Model Y, Cybertruck, and the upcoming Tesla Semi, a game-changing electric truck for long-distance transport. Perhaps the most futuristic project at Giga Texas is Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot. Currently in trials, Optimus is designed to mimic human movements and intelligence, performing tasks from factory work to household chores. Engineers at Giga Texas are training Optimus to walk, balance, pick up objects, and interact with machines autonomously. Musk envisions a world where Optimus is as ubiquitous as smartphones, handling mundane or hazardous tasks and freeing humans for creative pursuits. Giga Texas is the birthplace of this vision, a factory-turned laboratory where the seeds of a robotic revolution are being sown. Unlike the smoke-belching factories of yesteryear, Giga Texas is a beacon of sustainability. Solar panels on its roof generate much of the plant's electricity, while a water recycling system minimizes waste. Green spaces surround the facility, preserving the local ecosystem and balancing the surrounding air and land. Musk's mission isn't just to build electric cars, but to create a zero-carbon future, and Giga Texas embodies that ethos. It demonstrates that industry and environment can coexist, proving that technology, when guided by the right vision, can be a force for good. Building Giga Texas was no small feat, securing land in Austin, navigating government approvals, and constructing during the COVID-19 pandemic tested Tesla's resilience. Supply chains stalled and the world ground to a halt. But Musk's resolve, "We are not stopping," kept the project alive. Safety zones for workers, tech-driven solutions, and relentless innovation ensured the factory rose from the desert in record time. The grand opening, dubbed Cyber Rodeo, was a spectacle of LED lights, music, and a Cybertruck showcase drawing global attention to this desert dynamo. With a target of producing 2 million cars annually, Giga Texas is a seismic force in the auto industry. Its speed, scale, and AI-driven efficiency have left competitors like Ford, GM, Toyota, and Volkswagen scrambling to keep up. These legacy automakers are rethinking their EV strategies and investing in high-tech plants. But Tesla's lead is formidable. By treating car manufacturing like a software process, fast, scalable, and data-driven, Musk has set a new standard. Giga Texas isn't just making cars. It's crafting a blueprint for the future of industry. Tesla's ambitions extend far beyond vehicles. The company is diving into batteries, robotics, AI, energy systems, and autonomous driving. With Giga Texas as a command center, its cars don't just run on electricity. They run on data, constantly learning and improving. This holistic approach has turned Tesla into an innovation powerhouse, forcing competitors to seek partnerships, subsidies, and new strategies to stay relevant. Musk's next goal is clear: produce the most cars at the lowest price with the most advanced technology. Giga Texas is a perfect base for this mission, supplying vehicles not just for America but for Europe, Asia, and beyond. Giga Texas is more than a factory. It's a symbol of what's possible when vision meets execution. It's where the Cybertruck's bulletproof body takes shape, where the Tesla Semi promises to revolutionize logistics, and where the Model 2 aims to make electric cars mainstream. It's where 4,680 cells power the next generation of mobility and where Optimus learns to walk among us. Most importantly, it's where technology and sustainability intertwine, showing the world that progress need not come at the planet's expense. As Tesla turns out affordable, high-tech vehicles and pushes the boundaries of AI and robotics, Giga Texas stands as a crucible of this transformation. The next time you see a Tesla on the road, don't just see a car. See a revolution forged in the heart of the Texas desert, where every second brings us closer to a smarter, greener, and more connected world. Giga Texas isn't just a factory. It's the beating heart of the future, and its pulse is felt across the globe.